Most of the things are very ignorant. To mana side gi, I'm in agreement with Gima Keno Wacho. Gimomiyo Yudoka, most of these things are happening. Iwachoni, I'm not attacking anyone, but some group of jomoko ng'eyo gimoro, mag dongere wacho ni fools, or make a decision to get on top. Then the system wabedogo dongere wacho ni we build a confederacy of fools. Gimatimre ni every spending in Kenya, gimomiyo we have a financial year, is that bill bedo proposed and everything bedo budgeted for. Correctly, all of the spendings should be used in a given year are all budgeted and are bedo passed a parliament. Yeah. Koduka sama ingiswani, nyaka wabed koni nikech korko nya donde gimoro wanya yudo gimoro. Yet there's a budget that is legal, that was passed and assented. Budget mobedo okale od bura. Ma president go say, Majo Kenya the gimowacho ni public participation. Koduka ignorant mar people mane kumajoka wakili Willis wachoga ni jomofuo mage chiemb jomariek. Yeah. Nikech koro samingi sini women rep wawuoth kama mondo wayud pesa empowerment, yet budget nitie, then nitie kakitugo gi jopiny. So that's what I wanted to echo on. I don't believe in those so-called empowerments because we have a budget in existence that was assented and is working. Yeah.